Hello everybody, this is Brendan, and I'm going to tell you how to get views in 2021 on YouTube. So without further ado, I'm going to tell you what it's all about. So the first thing you want to do is search engine optimization, which stands for, SEO. I kind of did that backwards, didn't I? Well, that simply is YouTube looking at your title, your description, and your tags. To find out if tags are still relevant, be sure to check out this code right here while I talk about it. Back to the video. So, and notice like that, it was called metadata. And it found the right audience for your content. But it also helps you ranking search. So, that's what you want to do. So the first objective is ranking search. Second objective coming up in part 2, which is your thumbnail, again with the title, and then one hidden thing that you will know in the next video, so be sure to watch it. Have a good day, everybody.